Hi everyone! Welcome back to another video. So today, I'll be sharing with you guys what I carry sa carry-on bag ko. So recently, I traveled to Panglao, Bohol, and usually, ang lahat talaga ng bag ko forever, kahit carry-on yan. So I make sure I have everything I need in my carry-on bag. So the first item I have here, actually this one, para siyang canvas bag. Ginagamit ko ito pang grocery shopping, pero sinabi ko, I like it, so go. Inside, I have my laptop. Syempre, kailangan ko ng laptop ko if ever I decide to edit while waiting, or if delayed yung flight, or if kailangan ko mag-check ng email. Actually, pwede sa phone, pero girl, laptop pa rin for editing videos. So, yun yung pinakamabigat sa lahat. And ako talaga, super heavy packer ako. So, even if carry-on bag, girl, mabigat pa rin, pero okay lang sa akin. And then I have this pouch. I have this pouch here, and it contains my 2 hard drives and my power bank. Pero nakawala yung power bank. Andiyan lang sa bag yun. Pero ito kasi super halaga. So, I have a lot of files, and hindi na kaya ng laptop ko. So, I had to buy an extra hard drive. I have like, siguro 6 sa bahay. Pero to extra. Extra for editing videos. So, to store files lang. And yung mga wires ko, andito rin. So, I make sure I separate yung mga electronic stuff para whenever I need it, alam ko na nasang bag siya. Ayan. And then I have here a mirror. So, handheld mirror siya. I know I can bring like a small mirror, pero I have a thing with mirrors. Gusto ko yung kasya yung buong mukha ko. So, girl, kasya yung buong mukha ko. So, buwang to. And then, I have here, anong tawag dito? A bum bag or a belt bag. I know, it's a bag within a bag. Yeah, it's a fanny pack. Kapag bigla kasi may kailangan ako ilagay sa big bag na to, pwede ko itong ilabas and then suotin sa katawan ko. So, oh, diba? Dalawang bag na yun, girl. Pero inside, I have the essentials. So, I have here alcohol kasi medyo germophobe ako na parang, lalo sa CR, girl. Whenever you touch stuff sa CR, kailangan maghugas ka ng kamay. If hindi ka gagamit ng tissue na pang flush or whatever, even the doors are super dirty. Girl. And then I have here tissue. I have dry and wet tissue. Kasi girl, kailangan ko both, diba? And then I have my wallet. So I usually bring a pouch for all my money and cards and coins. So iisa lang. Ito na yung pouch ko. Ito yung gamit ko ngayon. Tapos tong bag na to, may mga malalaki siyang pockets inside. So I can easily reach into whatever I need. So I have my phone cord for charging. And then, of course, I have my sunglasses kapag maaraw or gusto ko matulog. Tapos, I also have here the lip color that I have on for the day para if I need to retouch, lagay lang, girl. Tapos, ito yung pinakamahalaga sa lahat. So, before traveling, whenever I get breakouts and then meron pang time para humupa yung pimple ko, I use the Bello Acne Pro Pimple Gel. So, I have this in my carry-on bag kasi nga, kunwari, flight to Bohol and then may breakout akong isa. Ilalagay ko siya before the flight. So, lagay. And then, after a few hours, nagsasubside yung redness and yung kalakihan ng pimple. So, I actually filmed a sample clip for you guys because I got a breakout right here sa nose ko. And then, this morning, I filmed and sobrang nawala siya. Like, hindi naman wala na bonggang-bongga, pero nag-flatten. Nagkaroon ako ng pimple here, guys. So, see? So, I'm gonna put on the Acne Pro Pimple Gel by Bello. So, isang dot lang, like that. Tudukan ang pimple. There we go. I'll update tomorrow kung mawawala siya. It's the morning after, you guys, and I woke up na mas lumiit yung pimple ko here. It's so bongga. I love it. It really works. Look at that. Kahapon, ano na yan eh, like super full-on pimple. But now, it decreased in size. Ayaw mo naman, di ba, napupunta ka ng event or ng wedding or whatever, tapos may pimple ka. So, kailangan mo talaga ng rescue. So, ito yung ginagamit ko. It's super, super affordable. 169.75 lang. Available in Shopee. I'll have the link in the information box. So, this is what I really use to treat my pimples na bigla-bigla ang lumalabas. So, girl, you gotta have this in your carry-on bag. Make use of the time na travel time nyo para humupa siya. It really works and I love it. And then, sa kabilang pocket, meron akong book. This is the book that I'm reading right now. It's The Ripple Effect by Greg Wells. Tama ba? Yes. I love it. Naka-half na ako. And then, syempre, I cannot live without my planner. So, I have my planner here and lahat ng iniisip ko, lahat ng kailangan kong gawin, I jot down everything in my planner and I cannot live without this. It's from Typo and may mga sticker pa ako dyan. And of course, I have my pens. And syempre, I have my phone and my vlogging camera, which I am using right now, plus the tripod. So, yun mga ginagamit ko talaga, or yun yung mga stuff ko in my carry-on bag. So, it might seem a lot for you, pero for me, feel ko lahat ng kailangan ko nandito. So, ako kasi, I'm the type of person na mas okay sa akin na lahat nandito kesa may kulang. Ganun talaga ako, girl. So, that's it for my carry-on essentials. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!